Hi, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts, and I'm at Headquarter Shop Studios, and I love to show you some fun and exciting new things like our expression words. Those words are just wonderful. They're laser cut and all of them are in a dark charcoal gray. They are amazing to add a little message to any of your projects. So let's look at some of the projects that I brought it for you. You can take a pillowcase and just iron it on. What you do, you open your package. So for example, I took a package like this, I opened it up, and inside you're gonna find a word. Look at this, it's all done laser cut for you. I have a little old hoop. Let's move those out of our way. And I'm gonna place that hoop right in front of me, pull this little paper off on the back, and you're gonna find a fusible webbing underneath, and it has a little sticky on it. So you can position your words either for a little bit, or you can iron them on and they will stick for quite a while. So I'm taking this paper off. This is such a fun idea. Many times I want to do something as a gift, make it a little special, personalize, send a little message with it, and this allows me to do it. When you're pulling the paper, be rather nice and careful so you don't rip the fusible webbing off. And now I can place my little love onto the hoop. Look at this. Oh, this is so much fun. So one little letters at a time. Oh, I'm gonna go a little higher on this one. So I center it up and I move it with my finger to place it down. You know, not everybody has a steady hand to write calligraphy, but we love to put a little messages, and look, in no time I have this stuck to it. If I wanted to, I can use the iron and iron it on. If I just want to leave it, I can do this and hang it and have a really cute little sign done, ready, set, go. Many times we have pieces of wood, old frame, pillow, maybe a lampshade, and we want to add a little message and make it a little bit more personalized. So this is allow us to do it. And if we don't want to commit it to the project, I can just go ahead and peel it off after a few months after I'm done, and I can add another sign or word to it, or put it back on and get it back onto it, and it's gonna be beautiful and exciting. So those are just few of the projects that we can work with, and there are so many different ideas. I have a little purse right here, and those are especially around holidays, or if we're packing a gift for Mrs. and Mr. Look at this. This is a fun one. You can open this bag, and this one allows us to stitch if we would like to do it. So this canvas bag comes like this. We can place a word right on the front, then applique, sew the sides together, and have a fun project to take it with us. Adding this kind of calligraphy to a side of a little storage case. Oh, I have this cute idea for you guys. This is like a treasure, a frame where you can put dreams, start adding your little new fabrics, maybe some quilting idea, and then close it up, and it frames and displays beautifully as well. So start thinking about it, where you want to add some love and some dreams and some calligraphy words to it. We have a great selection of them for you. Home, always, love, Mrs. and Mr., and dreams. So there's plenty of fun ideas. Add a little love to some of your fun projects, or maybe something that you have recycled and took it from the past. Please remember to visit headquartershop.com, where you can purchase all of those beautiful calligraphy expression words.